Ladies and gentlemen, we have yet again another amazing battle here. Choo Choo Charles versus Chainsaw Man. And actually, there's a lot more going on today than just that battle. Just wait for it. Chainsaw Man, he's got a battle on his hands. Or on his chainsaws, or whatever you want to call it. We're jumping right in here. These videos are by BK Animix, by the way. Already, I'm seeing Pennywise get absolutely taken out, by the way. Time out. Had to turn that down a little bit. It was screaming in my ears. All right. Oh my. Since when did Choo Choo Charles get those abilities? Freddy just threw it right back at him. That's kind of savage. Okay. Are those arrows? Maybe he gets like all the... Maybe he gets all the abilities of the people that he eats, maybe? What is that? Is that Chainsaw Man? Ooh, what is that? Was that an atomic breath? Katana Man? Oh, he's blocking it. That totally sounds like an atomic breath, doesn't it? Okay. I mean, he blocked a lot of it. Never mind. I'll take it back. He didn't. Well, good thing the title of this video isn't Choo Choo Charles versus Katana Man. Oh, there's old lady. She's got those handguns and the hand chains. She's a savage. Ah! She took his leg and threw it right back in him. What is that? Where did that thing come from? Oh, the shock on the chain? R.I.P., lady. All right. Some sort of missiles? Okay, now R.I.P. lady. Makima? Is that her name? Oh, there's Chainsaw Man finally. Dingy. Let's go. What does he have right now? Chainsaw... Or Choo Choo Charles with a minigun. Versus Chainsaw Man. Okay, well. That was fast. Chainsaw Man, get up. We're about to see it. Well, I thought we were. We got Choo Choo Charles right now. Oh, he feels it. Oh! Giant Penny, let's go! Why have we not seen Chainsaw Man yet? I mean, we have seen him, but we haven't seen him in his full form. Oh, my... Oh, here we go. Chainsaw Man versus Choo Choo Charles. Oh! Chainsaw Man's got this. Come on now. Choo Choo Charles is not about to beat Chainsaw Man. Especially if he's got a team. Oh my... Yo, Choo Choo Charles is getting disrespected. Don't tell me. She's taking his arms, bro. And picking him up. Oh, they're about to treat this man like a piñata. Where's Chainsaw Man? Here he is, walking back in. He said, don't worry, I'll handle this. All right, he's dead. It's as simple as that. Chainsaw Man wins, I guess. What's happening here? I think she's saying good job. Yeah, I think that's what she said. Good job. What is that? That's the handgun, right? All right, I guess she didn't say good job. Same creator, new video, Chainsaw Man versus... I mean, why are there so many Jeff the Killers right now? I'm already extra confused. What did that frog have to do with anything? Okay, somebody's gonna have to inform me on what's going on in the comments. Who are they? He said, time out. What is that? Dead, that's who they are. Why does he kind of look like Woody? Except, you know, if he had the hat on, he's got the Woody outfit. Okay, that man just got disrespected. Choo Choo Charles is back! Okay, bet! I didn't think we'd see him again. At least not yet. He came back so fast. He just got absolutely obliterated in last video. All those missiles. Okay, so this guy's like the ultimate savage, right? That's what I'm seeing right now. Oh, yeah. He took all his arms off like that. Barely even did anything. Don't do it to him. Oh, please don't do it to him. All right, he did it to him. He did it to him. I don't know who that is, but this man is an absolute savage. Is he from the Chainsaw Man series? All right, Choo Choo Charles' head. There it is. What is he doing with the rest of his body? Oh, that was old girl. Makima, maybe. Chainsaw Man, you're gonna save her like that? Even though she just took his head off in last video? Speaking of taking somebody's head off. Whew. He was close. He was real close. Ugh. Ah! R.I.P. R.I.P. Wow. He said, come here. Oh, my goodness. I don't think this man's gonna get defeated. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Katana Man? Disrespected. Disrespected! What is happening? Oh, he got his sword. That is a giant sword, by the way. Did he just block it with his foot? I feel like that would have cut his leg off. No? Here we go, though. Oh! Slice the noggin off. There's still like 4 more to go, but maybe she can use those handguns. Okay, Katana Man's still alive here. That's good. That frog! Every time you see a frog, just know something bad was gonna happen. That's what I was gonna say, but then the video ended. I guess that's gonna be like a part 2 or something, because they got teleported to another place. We'll check that out when it comes out, but now, let me read this title. Chainsaw Man versus Tomato Devil. Oh, Jeff the Killer, Jason, Michael Myers. Tomato Devil? Uh-huh. What's he from? Don't tell me he's from the Chainsaw Man series. They put a tomato in there and gave him legs and eyes. Let's see what he does. The tomato. Why would you stab the tomato? You're just gonna get pushed over, Jeff. What are you doing, buddy? Who y'all got? Chainsaw Man? Or the tomato? Did he just spit a tomato? I didn't even see that. He just ate Ghostface. He just took out. Yep, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. What is that? It's a skull. Why'd they have to make his voice like that? Let's fall! Tomato Devil. Tomato. Oh, I thought he was gonna eat him too. Michael Myers came back. That's not gonna be enough, man. You need a bigger machete. Mind control? Does this man have everything? Oh! Well, who was that? Chainsaw Man with a minigun? Attachment? Oh, he ran out of ammo. All right, well, that was fast. And then he smacked him with a minigun. That's disrespectful. And then just booted Tomato Devil. Tomato Man Devil Eyeball Face guy. What is that? That reminds me of Bendy and the Ink Machine. Oh no. Here we go. Chainsaw Man is alive. Oh. These guys, though, they are not about to be alive any longer. Oh! I picked Chainsaw Man, if I didn't say it already. Slice it in half. Okay. That's not doing it. Oh, cut those arms off, bro. You gotta do it. Or just get caught by him. Okay. Maybe I was wrong. Chainsaw Man just got... Well, he can get his body... Okay, I don't think he can get it back like that. Why do you have to make that noise? And he just walks out of him like that. Chainsaw Man is a savage and he wins again. Thank you for watching with me. I will see you all tomorrow. I love ya. Goodbye.